This grew within like 2 days. Monkey! 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 It's over here somewhere. I just don't need to go find him. Hi, monkey! Hi! I should have brought you some food or something, huh? Oh my gosh! What are you doing just hanging there like that? What's up? Hi! How are you? How are you? Hi! Hi! You want some fruit? I can't believe you just hanging from your tail right now. How's it going? That's Shelby. That's Shelby. Oh my god. I saw you over there. Yeah, I saw you over there. I came running over here to find you. How's it going? You're so cute. Oh my gosh, what's going through its mind? What's going through your mind, eh? Huh? Huh? How cute. Monkey. Monkey. What's up? What's up? Hi. You're big. You look like you're like a teenager. Are you a teenager? Monkey. You got some funny poses, eh? Hey, monkey, what's your name? Monkey. 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 Hey. Where are you going? On the roof. On the roof. Let's just walking the roof right now. I wonder if it'll end up on where I'm staying, which is on the other side of this roof. Should I go? Maybe I should try so it knows where I live. Alright, I'm gonna go find it. Hey, you're back! Hey! Just smog on the tree. You're back? Hey, I live on the other side of that. In case you want to visit. Yeah, I'd love it if you would. No pressure though, you know? What are you doing? Are you looking for food? Cause I got fruit. You like mango? Or melon? What is it thinking about? Oh no. Oh my gosh, how fun! It's amazing. Just chilling. Monkey! Hey, monkey! Monkey! Just casually scratching his butt. Yeah, I'm still here and I am recording you doing that. Is that going on, Biggie? Just move where I could get some privacy. Alright, I don't blame you. I guess I'll stop recording you, even though I don't want to. No, it's going. Come back and visit me, okay? Okay. Careful. Sheesh. Still there. Look it over. Up there. Up there. Just stop there somewhere. Yeah. Oh, what a beauty. Thank you so much. And then we have this bird just casually watching the whole thing. The one that I never know what kind of bird it is. It's always around here. And there's always a pair. They're always in pairs. They have a little tick-tock, the grandfather clock tick. Talking thing. The tick-tock. Not the talking thing, but the thing. The tick-tock. Not TikTok, TikTok. Not the social media TikTok. There goes a monkey. Oh, there goes a bird too. And the monkey's over there. Peace be with you, monkey. And lots of protection wherever you go. Got a little blue bird up there. Oh man, I love this life in nature. I love it.